South Africa has seen economic growth in the second quarter beating expectations. Analysts are cautious, though, about the expansion, as Ntokozo Khumalo reports that the larger-than-expected acceleration has been driven by business owners seeking alternative solutions to the rolling power cuts.
South Africa's economy has grown for a second consecutive quarter.
Our economy as of the second quarter of 2023 grew by 0.6%. The year-on-year is 1.6% and 6 months on 6 months is 0.9%.
But Standard Bank's Alna Moolman remains cautious.
It is a relief, but we also have to say that this is still a real GDP level that is below its third quarter level of last year. In other words, we've had that severe hit from load shedding at the end of last year, and we're clawing our way back just to get to the levels that we registered before that.
Energy-intensive industries, including agriculture, manufacturing and mining, gave the economy a boost in the second quarter of the year, despite persistent blackouts. But Moolman warns that this isn't sustainable in the long term.
Businesses are very responsive and they simply make a plan when things are tough. But at the same time, we then have to say two things. One is that we're seeing a significant increase in imports as we have to import a lot of these generators and solar panels, etc.
The second part is that while private sector fixed income was relatively robust over the period, it's going towards plugging the power shortfall instead of expansion. She warns that the energy crisis and logistical bottlenecks threaten growth if they are not urgently addressed. Stats SA will release provincial GDP data later this month. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Johannesburg.